Hare Krishna everyone. On behalf of ISKCON Sri Sri Radha Govind Temple, Mangaluru, we welcome you all to the Bhagavad Gita 18-day course. Now this course is run by the temple for over a year, and we have successfully completed 15 batches, and the next batch is going to start on the 2nd of August. Now to tell us more about this course, we have Dr. Aishwarya. Dr. Aishwarya Mataji is a facilitator for this course, and Mataji, the first question to you is, please tell us the relevance of Bhagavad Gita in this day. I mean, do you see it relevant, and what do you feel with the response? Because you've taken so many classes for the batches.
Hare Krishna everyone. Yes, so Bhagavad Gita is a life manual. So as you go read Bhagavad Gita, you understand that yes, there are some things which we don't have an answer. So Bhagavad Gita is an answer to all our unanswered questions. So especially for the youth, because this is the time you have a turning point in your life. So many things can be regulated according to the teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So it's very relevant in this age, especially all are suffering because of so many unnatural things. So yes, Bhagavad Gita really helps us to have a positive attitude towards life.
Thank you so much for this. Very inspiring, especially during these tough times. So my question to you is, if I am interested, how do I register? Should I go to the ISKCON Sri Sri Radha Govind Temple website to register, or what is the process?
Yes, so you can register through the website, that is www.iskonmangaluru.com. You get all the details there. Also, the link for joining the course will be sent in the description below the video. So even you can click on that and you can join. All the different languages, timings, everything will be available there.
Oh, that's wonderful. So if you could just tell me what are the languages that are available for people, and roughly what are the timings, and also if people from abroad, or different time zones, can they also register for this? Is it open to everybody?
Yes, definitely. So we have like English, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Tulu, and also Marathi and Gujarati. And also for children, there is separate batch. For children, again, you have 6 to 10 years separate batch and 11 to 15 years separate batch. And also for youth, then you have adults batch. So different timings are like 6 a.m., 3 p.m., 7 p.m., 9 p.m. So I think for 6 a.m. IST, it'll be a convenient time for the people abroad, especially US and all. So many are joining there at that time. So I think it would be very convenient for them to take any language they like and any timings.
Oh, that's amazing. Another question is, now is there any prerequisite? Because suppose I don't know anything, can I still register for this course? And do I need, will I get some course material? Because if I don't know anything, do I get some study material to refer to?
Yes, this course is absolutely free, and yes, so you will get the soft copy of the Bhagavad Gita. You also will get a hard copy if you like to have. So no prerequisite. Anyone can join anytime. Anyone can join at any age. So no prerequisite is there. So you can just take up the course, and then you will directly go to a WhatsApp group, and all the details will be sent there. So anybody can take it up. Not an issue.
Okay. So I go to so if I register and put in a WhatsApp group, is it?
Yes, Mataji, yes.
All right. And I also wanted to know, is there a certificate that I get at the end of the course?
Yes. So after the 18 days course, so the course is for 18 days and like 1 hour duration every day. So after the 18 days course, you'll have quiz each day. And then when you do it, at the end of the 18 days, you'll get a free certificate. The course is absolutely free, and you get a certificate of completion. So this is the basic level. This is a level 1 course. We also have different levels of courses. So yes, anybody can join.
All right. So that's nice. And all the courses are absolutely free, even the level 2, level 3, level 4 courses. Everything is absolutely free, isn't it, Mataji?
Yes, so definitely, because we are imparting the great knowledge, and then we can't we should be very loyal to it. So this is a level 1 course, which is an overview of Bhagavad Gita. And then as you finish it, then you go to the level 2, and then level 3, little more deeper study of Bhagavad Gita. And level 4 is the Bhakti Shastri, which is an amazing course offered by ISKCON. So yes, ISKCON Mangaluru is conducting all these 4 courses absolutely free.
All right. Thank you so much, Mataji. And to wrap it up, all the details for this program is going to be put below the description of the video. So please click on it to get more details. You can always visit the temple website, which is ISKCON Sri Sri Radha Govind Temple, Mangaluru. And here's hoping to see all of you participating in huge numbers to spread this message of Bhagavad Gita and to make our lives better